I spent 3 hours last night setting up some skills with Claude Code and some other tools, and now it does it in seconds, literally. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I did was I connected it with 11's Lab MCP. If you're not familiar with 11 Labs, they're basically an AI voice generator. You can even clone your own voice if you want to. But what I did was this. So I connected 11's Lab MCP with Claude, and I asked it to generate a 10-second audio about tech updates last week. I know that this is a generic prompt, but what I wanted to do is to test and see if it can generate an audio file. But now you can imagine how powerful this can get. I can have specific prompts and then generate specific audios and listen to maybe the last week's news based on specific topics and prompts that I give it. So the things that you can build with 11 Labs is just amazing. So make sure that you check it out. By the way, this is not sponsored. Next thing that I did was connecting Claude to Paper. What Paper is doing is that they're connecting your canvas with your agents. So what I did was I prompted to scan my website and create a style guide and a content guideline based on different sections of my website. And then I asked it to generate a newsletter based on my content guideline and style guide. But what's powerful about Paper is that you can very quickly edit anything that it generates and then push it back to Claude. So I can even change the font. I can play around with the designs that it generates. So it can be pretty powerful, and I'll definitely continue playing around with this tool. And lastly, what I did is that I asked Claude to scan my last 20 posts on LinkedIn, and I gave it my LinkedIn. You can add me on LinkedIn if you want to. Just make sure that you say that you're from TikTok so I accept you. And then I asked it to create a content guideline based on my tone of voice and style. So it went over to my LinkedIn and it created this guideline, and I actually created a skill out of it. So now what I can do is I can just do a LinkedIn. You can see that I have my LinkedIn skill here, and I can just say write a post about X, Y, and Z. So I can just type or do an audio prompt here, and it will convert it into different LinkedIn posts with different types of messages. So what's interesting is that I also asked it to add an agent on top of this. So every time that I will generate content for me, there is an agent that will go over it and rank it based on different parameters and attributes that I've set. So as you can see, this can be pretty powerful and it can save me a lot of time in the future. I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.